In today's video, this is all about Google Slides for beginners with the latest 2025 updates. So first things first, when you start a Google Slide, if you go to your browser, all you have to do would be to type in slides.new in the address bar at the top, press enter, and it will automatically start a new presentation for you. Now, when you start that new presentation, the first thing that you will notice would be these templates right here and your side toolbar. So before all of these updates, when you open Google Slides, the first thing that you will see on this panel would be actually your themes. But this time, we have our templates. Now, what's great about these templates is that you can just click on them. If there's a specific layout that you want to use within this template, you can just click on it to add it to your presentation. If you want to use the entire presentation, just click on Insert All Slides here at the bottom. Click on it, and the entire template will be inserted to your presentation. Let's undo that. So once you're done browsing to your templates and you don't really want to use any of them, you can just close that off. The next thing that you will notice would be your toolbar. There are some changes that have been done right here, especially with starting a new slide. When you insert a new slide, there used to be a drop-down right next to it, which enables you to select the layout that you want to add. But this time, we only have this plus sign that will add a slide, and the pre-selected layout for that new slide would be your title and body. Another thing that's different with our toolbar would be our insert image right here. If you remember, right between our text box and our shape would be the insert image tool. So we don't have that anymore because we have our side toolbar, which we're going to be discussing more later. But another change that you will notice would be our text box icon. This used to look different, but now it has changed into this one right here. So that's it for our toolbar. Before proceeding to our side toolbar right here, another new thing that has been added would be our building blocks. Now our building blocks is also found here in our side toolbar, but it's also found in our insert here in the menu bar, and here it is. So we have our shape, then our building blocks, then our diagram. There used to be a new icon right here as we see here with our templates, which is again new. I think it's showing this new icon because our templates are always updated with newly added templates. So before, I think we started with 25, then it got to 50, and now it's around 80. So these templates are always updated with new ones. So going back to our building blocks, if we click this one right here, it will open this panel where we have the different type of building blocks depending on what you want to add. So these are different elements that you can easily insert into your presentation. For example, we have our first one, which is our agenda, which would actually serve as your table of contents if that's what you want to do with it. That's totally up to you. And to insert a building block, all you have to do would be to click on it, and it will automatically be added to your slide. There you have it. Another one would be your lists. So if you want to enumerate something within your presentation, you can definitely use this. Let's delete that, insert this, and there you have it. So there are so many more you can explore on your own depending on what you want to insert in your presentation. Let's close that off and proceed to our side toolbar. So this is one of the latest additions that we have in Google Slides. So other than our building blocks, we have at the top our templates. So again, once you start a new presentation, you would actually see this. So if you click on it, it will close off, click on it again, and it will open. Once you click on any of these icons right here, it will open that on the right side. So what happened to our insert image tool? That actually has moved right here. It has turned into our stock and web. If I click on it, here we have it, and not only do we have our images, we have our GIFs, our stickers, Google Images, and our stock images at the top. So whatever type of image you're looking for, you can find it right here. If you're looking for something specific, you can type it here in the search bar. Let's say an apple, and here we have it. Different type of apples. We have our stock image apples, our GIF apples, our sticker apples, and our Google image search apples. So now we have that one-stop shop for all of the images that we want to insert. And to insert an image, all we have to do is to click on it. There you have it. If you want a preview of that image before you insert it, just click on this preview image right here. And now we have a preview of what that image looks like. That would be the same for all of the different type of images that we can insert. You can have a preview of that like so. Click on that preview image icon, and here it is. So that's for our images. Even though we don't have it here in our toolbar, we have it in our side toolbar right here. Last but not the least, we have our Drive and Photos. If we click on this, these are the files that are found in our Google Drive or in our Google Photos. So if you have photos that are linked to your Google Photos from your phone, you can definitely see them right here. Again, you will have that preview icon for each of the images that you have. For Google Drive, again, any images that you have saved on your Google Drive will be found right here. So this definitely makes it easier for you to insert images from different sources, whether that's from your Google Drive or a Google image search, or if you're just looking for a stock image of a specific object, you can do it with your Stock and Web and your Drive and Photos. So those are the latest updates that we have with Google Slides here in the first half of 2025. If you want to learn how to use and edit those templates that we have within Google Slides, check out my other videos. I'll be leaving a card to some of them at the top right corner for you to check out later. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.